Health is wealth. The rich man without it is poor. One of the chronic conditions that is consuming a lot of money from those who are suffering from it is cancer. In fact, it seems that we are not winning the battle against cancer. Cancer is a cruel disease. The way it kills, the way people suffer from it, it is one of the most cruel diseases that is worth preventing. You know, we cannot predict who can get cancer. In fact, anybody can get cancer. But this one thing we know, we can reduce and even lower our risk of getting cancer in our lifetime. And by God's grace, we may never get cancer at all, only if we know how to prevent cancer. There are many causes of cancer and different types of cancer, and we may not be able to cover them in this program. But if you can only take care of the tips that I'm going to share with you now, you may reduce your risk of getting cancer in your lifetime. Tip number 1, make sure you don't forget to be physically active. Always exercise. Walking, swimming, cycling, physical activity actually helps to boost blood circulation. It helps to increase the resistance of your immune cells in defending your body from cancer cells. And at the same time, make sure, tip number 2, that you are eating food mostly from the garden, or what is called a plant-based diet. Avoid food which is processed. Avoid food, cut down on food which is preserved with chemicals. And make sure most of the food that you are eating, it is as natural as possible. If you do that, you're also going to give yourself lots of antioxidants and lots of phytochemicals, lots of vitamins and minerals that will help to lower your risk of getting cancer in your lifetime. And if you prevent most of the animal products, and not only animal products, it may even include things like smoking, things like taking alcoholic drinks. All these things are known to promote the growth and the development of cancer in our bodies. Another habit that most people are doing today, which is proving to be dangerous, is the habit of frying meat, whether it's chicken or it's beef, on charcoal, open charcoal. Every time you do that, the carbon monoxide from the charcoal, when it's mixed with the uric acid from the blood of the meat that you are cooking, you create a poison called benzoprine. And this is the poison which is known to cause cancer among people who are smoking. So you may be someone who don't smoke, but you are braising every weekend. And every time you braise 1 kg of beef, you are getting benzoprine equivalent to 500 cigarettes. And I know you don't eat that 1 kg alone. You share with a family maybe an equivalent of 50 cigars each. That is dangerous. Cancer is worth preventing. Eat well and live well. Remember Genesis 1:29. It says, all the plants that are there from the garden, they were given to us, to be food and to be medicine. And one of the old doctors, Hippocrates, said, let food be your medicine. If we can eat well, eat food that comes from the garden, the legumes, the whole grains, brown rice, whole wheat bread, the oats, and making sure that we are enjoying most of the food that is in a variety, like for example the butternut, the carrots, all the colors that we see in food, they are there to protect us from something that we may not know, and we don't need to know everything. All we need is to eat well and live well. Avoid smoking, make sure you manage your weight, make sure you don't drink alcoholic drinks, and make sure you are eating healthy and enjoy a happy life. Avoid stress as much as you can by trusting in God. In so doing, you will reduce your risk of getting cancer in your lifetime. Remember, health is wealth, and without it, the rich man is poor.